Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a collaborator to your Google form. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page where in the upper right corner, we can get started with logging into our account. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is just go and create a new one, and if you have one, just log in normally. So after logging into your Google account, now we can get started. You'll be greeted by this home page right here where you can get started with creating a new form. If you do not already have one, we can take a look at all the forms we have already created under recent forms. And now let's go ahead and open up one of our forms. So if you want to create a new form, just click the plus button right here. It's going to open up this new form where you can give it a name, description, input questions, and so on. I have already created mine, so here it is, my tutorial form for a video where I have a question with some answers. And now let's go and take a look at how I can add a collaborator to my form if I want to go ahead and invite somebody else to also add it to this form. Basically, it's very easy, and what we're looking for is right here in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, next to the publish button, you're going to have this plus button that says share. By clicking share, this is now going to open up this new menu where you can go ahead and manage who has access to your form. So you can go ahead and give general access to anybody. You can go ahead and give it anybody with a link to access it, and you can make it into editor view right here, whoever you want to invite. So input right here who you want to invite, and after doing so guys, you can go ahead and start inputting any collaborators that you want to use by inputting their name and their email right there. So it's easy as that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.